Alright everybody, today I'm going to show you how to turn your faded black plastics back to looking new again. You just need some water to wash it down. You need a heat gun, and you need some type of product. What you're going to do is you're going to wash down your bumpers, your plastics, whatever it is. Then you're going to hit it with the heat gun. After you hit it all with the heat gun, you're going to use your product to cover it. That way it doesn't get faded again. So let me start by wiping it down, getting all the dirt off, getting all the imperfections out of there. That way you have a clean surface to work with. This is a very important step right here, because if it's not clean, it's not going to look good in the end product. Alright, clean enough. Then you're going to go ahead and hit it with the heat gun. Don't stay in one spot too long or else you will melt your plastics. See how faded it is? I could already tell. I could see a difference. Then, after you do that, just go on and put your plastic restorer right over the top of that. After it cools down a little bit, touch it, make sure it's not melted. Then go ahead and cover it up and see what happens. Let's give it a shake. Yourself a rag. Pour a little amount on the rag. Let's do this here. Does a lot more than I expected. So you go ahead and wipe it on. Now what this is, it's like a clear coat. It soaks it in and it protects it from being damaged by the sun again. My beautiful wife and my son. Yeah, much better. There it is. I don't know how that got in there. All right. Yeah, I'd say that looks pretty new to me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole car, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, well here is half of the bumper done. I'd say it looks pretty damn good to me. You can see the difference. I mean, look how it was, now look how it is. That's a big difference right there. Alright guys, the front bumper is done with the heat gun. Now I just have to go over it with the plastic restorer. That's going to be looking brand new. It already looks way better. I'm going to hit it with the plastic restorer and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, here's the finished product after I put the Meguiar's Ultimate Black plastic restorer on it. I'd say it looks pretty good. Now the plastic restorer isn't going to make it shine anymore. All it's doing is protecting the bumper from the sun after you hit it with the heat gun. It's not going to allow the sun to penetrate and oxidize it anymore. So hope you guys enjoyed this tip. Hope it helped you out, and I hope it makes your car look a lot better.